Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by readying the CAD drawing so the photo imports predictably. Open the target DWG, set units and scale, and choose an insertion point. This prevents misalignment later. Create a dedicated image layer and lock it if you plan to trace or annotate. Once done, check the file path and save a backup. This is faster than fixing broken links later. Now you're ready to bring the photo into the workspace and control its visibility and snapping behavior. You insert the photo using the Attach or Insert Image command. Choose the file and click to place it. When prompted, specify an insertion point, then enter a scale or pick 2 reference points to match a known distance. If the image is rotated, enter a rotation angle or rotate interactively so key features align with drawing geometry. Make sure snapping and object snap tracking are on so you can align edges precisely, because accurate placement saves redrawing work later. Finish by adjusting image properties. Set transparency for tracing, tweak brightness or contrast, and lock the image layer to prevent accidental moves. Decide whether to bind the image into the DWG or keep it as an external reference. Binding increases file size but removes path issues. If something goes wrong, recheck units, use scale and rotate with precise reference distances, and relink the file path. Finally, save incremental versions so you can revert if alignment or resolution problems appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.